guys, so I just realized I am about to start editing this video and I never concluded. I didn't give you my opinion and show you what the shoes look like when I was done with them. Okay, so just give me a minute. I'm gonna open the box up again and I'll show you. I kept them in the same box. So the wedding was October last year. I'm just now getting around to putting this video up. Sorry for the delay. I got the shoes I think a month before the wedding, so maybe September. And I've only worn them for the wedding, the one time. So if you have not already, please check out the traditional wedding video. I will link it above, below, everywhere. That's our Nigerian traditional ceremony. Really dark. We started like 2 hours later than we planned, so bear with us on the lighting and how long it was. Just, we wanted to bring you guys along with the whole thing, and I mean, that's it cut down, if that helps. So let me get to the shoes. The shoes, okay, they're still in their box. I just opened this up just now. As soon as we were done, I think that night I was so pooped, I was so tired. I had to help clean up, so I did end up chucking the shoes at some point, and I was walking around with no shoes and holding my wedding dress. It was very interesting. I also have a blog post, I'll link it below, about the wedding and the wedding planning process and things like that, so you might get some more backstories and things I'm making reference to. So the shoes were in their bags. I'm just gonna take them out. All right, so the shoes themselves, are you ready? These are the soles. They're quite damaged. Yeah, and I'm trying to see if the heels have scuffs. Not too much. Outside, yes, definitely. Let's see if this will focus. Yeah, so there's definitely scuff marks. Here, it's really bad. I also lost a stone. I don't know if you can see it dangling. Let's see, where is it? Right here. This is like dangling, and I'm trying to figure out how to glue it back on. But then, you know, so this is what the bottom of the right one looks like, and this is the left leg. This one also kind of got messed up on the back here. I'm trying to get it to focus. Let's see. There we go. That's the trick. Okay. It's got a little dirt in there, I think. Let's see if this trick works again. Oh my god, focus already. There we go, I think. So this is just gonna be a game of trying to get the camera to focus. But yeah, so it's got some dirt in it. I don't think the stones on this one fell off. But yeah, let me show you this again now that I know how to get it to focus. Here. And I don't think it's anything anybody would really notice. There's some dirt inside the shoes. That's because I put them on after walking around with no shoes on. I didn't take slippers, and I didn't realize I would need to help clean up. But time wasn't on our side. Like I said, we started late, which meant we had less time for cleanup. So all hands on deck pretty much. And I didn't care. My guests were kind of gone, so nobody knew I was kind of out there busting my butt. But yeah, I still love them. I cannot wait for another occasion to wear them. I have a wedding coming up. We're going to Charleston for a wedding in May, and I'm just like, can I rock these? They were in attendance at our wedding, so it might be a little weird if I whip out my quote-unquote wedding shoes, but like, who cares? Nobody's really gonna know. Well, they're gonna be too busy getting married, right, to be looking at guest shoes? I don't know. Either way, so these are the shoes. I still absolutely think I made the best decision getting them. I don't think I got a chance to say I got them on Tradesy, and I think I got them for a bit of a deal. Mainly, I just couldn't find them anywhere else. I didn't know what I wanted, pretty much. I didn't know what I wanted. I knew what my dress looked like, but it was, I think even when I bought them, my dress was still in Nigeria with the designer, so I was just kind of imagining, okay, I think my dress is gonna have some beadwork. These shoes have beautiful, like, I mean, look at, it catches the light so well, it just shines. This is, you know, I really wanted to wear this down the aisle actually, but I didn't want to wear the same shoe 2 days in a row. So I stuck with the pearl shoes from David's Bridal. But yeah, so I love them. I think they were a great investment piece. I can wear them over and over again because they're not stark white, they're more like nude. And in the shot of me walking around with them on, please don't judge my feet, I had just come from work. I just came from work, so like even right now. So usually I'm just trying to quickly film something, or like I really wanted to unbox that night because the package came and I didn't care if I was still in work clothes. I was just too excited to unbox. But yeah, that's it. And also one more thing I'll say about the bottom is there was a salesperson in Neiman Marcus in South Park Mall, and I went to him because I was gonna buy from him. He sells red bottoms as well. They sell red bottoms. He's a sales associate, and he kind of works with the high-end shoes. And we tried on some there, tried on some Jimmy Choos. I wasn't, you know, Brandon was with me. We were just trying on several and nothing felt really right. So this was just blind luck and chance. And I just was like, worst case, I'll send it back. But Tradesy, it's kind of like, it's usually they have one pair. So you don't want to just be sending things back. But I got really, really lucky. So I feel blessed about that. But back to the story. He told me, because I went to him and I said, can I get something to protect the bottoms? And he said, what's the point? Even the guy who makes these says they are made to be worn. You cannot buy a bicycle and carry it on your head and say you don't want to get the wheels dirty. He was like, they're made to be worn. That's it. Wear them. Worst case, this part here will still be protected and you'll still have your red bottoms. That's all anybody really sees when you pick up your feet anyway. He just said, wear them, ruin them. They're made to be worn, wear them. And the traditional venue, where we had the wedding, there were rocks and bricks and dirt. It was dirty on it was just like backyard. Well, that's what I wanted. I wanted a simple backyard wedding, small. It was actually bigger than we wanted. It was supposed to be really small and just really chill and low key. So he was like, yeah, wear them. If they get ruined because of the rocks and whatever on the floor, you have a story to tell. They're your wedding shoes. So that's it. Me and my little stone are gonna go find a way to fix ourselves. I don't know how I would fix that though. If you have any recommendations, let me know. But look at that, it's just dangling. But that was the only casualty of war here, so I'm still pretty stoked. Yeah, shoes are shoes. But big purchase, like I said. I'm not gonna front and act like I have money and I'm just like, woo, designer, woo. No. Tradesy, I got a deal. I think it was my first Tradesy purchase, so I think they gave me a deal on top of that. And I got them really quickly, so just really happy about that purchase. And I wanted to end the vlog video unboxing here, unboxing review everything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000. You know what YouTube is doing to us. Excuse me. Please subscribe. Please like this video. Please also, when you subscribe, click on the little bell, because that'll give you a notification every time we upload a video and you won't miss any uploads. And you know, just tell your friends about us, share the links, tell people, but mostly please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.